Today I will tell you the maladies of society and family. It's been long to see things which are unpalatable and are repeatedly followed by the people at large. Not a single person probably thinks on the lines on which I am thinking, and I get total disheartened and disappointed when I know that what should take place, but that does not take place. If we start with families, marriage is the main stigma in everybody's happy life. But the society does not let, particularly the girls, live the life they want to live. Even if they are married, mothers, old mothers, children married, husband died, children not with her, and if she has to live alone, she is thrown apart. The even the old people around her in, say, old age homes or senior care homes, they also look down upon her, knowing very well that children today do not take care of their parents. They just dump them anywhere but get rid of them. Forget about the respect which is churned out in the name of generation gap also. Poor parents who struggle all their life to make children worthy are ultimately find a place in corners of some of the unpalatable dirty places, while they have earned and made assets. So this is the biggest thing which which is taking place in our society, that old parents, and in particular the old mother, she is disregarded, disgraced, and almost I can say thrown into the dustbin, even if she is the maker of the home plus the properties plus the savings which she creates through her wisdom. Even such mothers are not given credit for what they have done for the family and for the children. Very rarely that the fathers have a role in making the family and the children. Children start counting pennies which they spend on the children, on the parents, and ultimately they get tired and run away. Poor parents have to struggle to make their remaining life worth living, but they are now old, weak, sick. So it is really criminal on the part of the children to leave the parents alone on their own. There is no reason why the retired and old parents cannot be taken by the children wherever they go, whether it is outstation in India or abroad. Just as we parents stick to the kids, come what may. So, this cycle needs to be followed, and all of us should back this who are watching my video. Another thing is socializing and partying. Now we see with open eyes the shit that is taking place in the name of these in high places in particular, high societies and Bollywood, Hollywood, and all the film societies, filmmaking, acting, and luring the common people to learn acting, dancing, singing, and forcing the knave girls and also boys sleeping with these buggers. This is the shitmost thing which is taking place in our society for long, and all big names are involved. Nobody questioned them. Nobody questions them even today. This is rampant not only in glamour world, but it is also rampant in the corporate sector. Promotions are not given unless and until people sleep with each other. So this is another thing which should be immediately looked into by all of us together. Media is another sector. And not only the media, the intellectuals involved in teaching or in guiding research and publications. Everywhere there is high level